katulad ka rin ng aking client na naghahanap ng affordable yet complete finish single attached house and lot na available sa Pag-ibig Financing para wala ka nang iisipin at lilipatan mo na lang, then you're watching the right video. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, and join me for another tripping day. I really appreciate it every time may client na nagme-message or nag-i-inquire sa akin with the summary of their preferences. Kung saan madalas dinidiscussan ng buyer kung magkano yung budget nila, ano bang hanap nila, RFO or pre-selling, single attached or townhouse. Most especially the location, kasi in this way, mas mabilis ka silang natutulungan at nabibigyan ng mga option na syempre ang target ko pasok sa budget at preferences nila. And for my client today nga, affordable single attached homes ang nakaschedule naming ikutan. At unang pinuntahan nga namin si Linnea Unit. Paano ba naman kasi 15,000 lang ang down payment mo dito and estimated around 23,000 lang sa Pag-ibig, may 100 square meters ka na lot size. And since complete finish ang hanap ni ma'am, we checked 2 other model units pa kasi basic finish ang turnover ni Linnea. At perfect nga yan if you're a client na gusto mong nako-customize mo ang interior. And second model unit na visit namin is our Athena single detached. Kung saan for as low as 30,000 monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig at 40,000 monthly down payment, meron ka ng single detached unit na 112.5 square meters ang lot area with a floor area of 90 square meters. And last but not the least, our Manners 2 na ito talagang pinaka nagustuhan nila. Paano ba naman kasi swak talaga sa preferences nila. Affordable lang ang monthly for as low as 26,000 a month, complete finish ang turnover, modern ang design, and the best part, may 4 bedrooms ka na nakasamang maids room, 3 toilet and bath at isang powder room. Plus, may provision ka pa for 1 to 2 carport at available through Pag-ibig Finance. Oh, so paano? Ikaw na rin ba ang sunod na i-assist namin for another tripping day? Connect with our team now via Viber and WhatsApp. See you soon at paalam!